Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year, because this is the first video of 2023 that I'm putting out. So I hope you guys have a very wonderful year. I hope you're healthy, wealthy, and all your goals for 2023 come through. Anyways guys, so I just want to do this video to do like a little mini update and also a recap of 2022. By the way, there is a little blurriness going on right here, and that is because my camera fell into a river, and because of that it has like a little water spot right here, and I can't clean it because I have to go inside of it, so I have to carry it to like a professional to get it clean. So I'm gonna sort that out at a later time, but in the meantime I'm gonna use the camera still. Anyway, so that was a mouthful. I wanted to record the video outside because I'm in Jamaica and you know it's sunny. I have a big backyard, so I have a lot of trees and stuff, so it's like, you know, nice nature, and also because it's hot and you know in Japan it's cold, in the US it's cold, so I wanted to, you know, just enjoy the sunshine while I can. Anyway, so like I said, it's just a life update and a recap. So for 2022, if you guys are new to the channel, I'm Sachoney. I lived in Japan for 4 years, and I'm back in the western side of the world now. I lived and worked in Japan, so I was an English teacher. For persons who have been my viewers for a long time, and you know that I've been in Japan for 4 years, thank you guys for continuously supporting me and supporting my channel. I know that a lot of people have been asking me, like, you know, about like when am I going back to Japan. I'm actually not going back to Japan, okay? So I have permanently left Japan. I might revisit, you know, like as a tourist, you know, probably in the next 5, 10 years, 15 years, but not anytime soon. I don't think I'll go back to Japan to work. Well, although, you know, sometimes things happen that you don't even plan, but where I'm at right now, I don't think I'll go back to Japan to work, but I'll go back definitely to visit in a few years. Yeah, so I was in Japan for 4 years. I decided to do like some solo trip, yeah, and I went to 6 countries last year, 2022. So of course I lived in Japan, so I'm gonna count Japan. So Japan, I went to Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, I went to the US, and I'm now in Jamaica. So 6 countries I've been to in 2022. So I would say that 2022 has been my best year yet, because I always wanted to travel when I was small, and I was able to achieve that, you know. To visit 6 countries, that's a lot for me, and I'm very grateful that God has blessed me enough so that I can actually start and you know, start my journey, my travel journey and stuff like that. So I'm very, very blessed, I'm very happy, and 2022 was like my best year. As it relates to, you know, like I left Japan in October. I was in the US for a little while, and now I'm in Jamaica. So that's my recap for 2022. As it relates to now, yeah, I'm in Jamaica now. I'm gonna be in Jamaica for a little while. And for 2023, my goals for 2023, well, actually I want to visit 3 countries for 2023, and I feel like 2023 is gonna be, I've been saying 2023 so much, this year is gonna be like a very tough year for me. I believe I gotta transition into this part of the world, and the Japanese culture is so different, so I have to, you know, readjust to the new normal, and you know, just figure out what I'm gonna do, what my next steps are, and try to implement these steps, and you know, just hope everything works out. I want, like I said, I want to visit 3 countries this year, and hopefully next month I can get to go to my first country. I'm very, very excited about that. It's gonna be in another continent, so a continent I've never been to, so I'm super excited. I hope everything goes well, but I feel like this year is gonna be a little challenging for me, because I'm gonna have to do a lot of things, and I'm gonna have to work even harder than I did previously, but I welcome the challenge, and I can't wait to see what life has in store for me and what God has in store for me. So I feel really blessed, and I'm grateful for all the support that I've had and all the love that people have been showing me. Like I left Japan, like people were saying congrats and all of that, and you know, like I can see that I'm an inspiration to many people, and I can just say that I'm very grateful that you guys was the people who actually look up to me, that you guys look up to me, and I feel honored, you know, to have that role. And I'm always here if you guys have any questions about anything, you know. You guys can always send me a message on Instagram. You guys have my Instagram angle, which is Sachoney. Yeah, what else do I gotta say? Like, I don't really have much to say. I want to travel in Jamaica a little bit. I've been traveling a little bit in Jamaica here and there, but I haven't been doing much enough, like, you know, enough traveling, which is okay. By the way, my birthday is coming up too, so I have a little, I haven't finalized anything for my birthday, but you know, I'm gonna have it like low-key, you know. Wait, one thing I don't miss in Jamaica, that is the mosquitoes. Jeez, I just saw a mosquito pass by. Like, the mosquitoes are like, it's not so bad, but still, you know. I forgot to say that I went to Indonesia, I went to Bali, and I still have a lot of content for Bali to upload. So I have like 2 to 3 videos that I need to upload, so I'm gonna be uploading those in the coming weeks, just to get that out of the way, because like I feel like it's long overdue now, but you know, I got distracted and things just happened, you know, so I didn't get to upload those videos, and they're coming soon. I already uploaded 1 video so far, so if you guys haven't watched that Bali video, please go ahead and watch it. And also I did a video where I was talking about 10 things that I will not miss about Japan, and I previously did a video about 10 things that I will miss about Japan. So I think I'm gonna do that video next week, like the 10 things that I will not miss about Japan, because that video was done such a long time ago when I was in Japan, and I literally I literally went, that was done even before I went on my solo trips. So it's like very old, but I need to upload it because I already did already did the other video, and I said I would do this one. Yeah, mouthful. So guys, can you go watch it please and support your girl? I'm gonna probably, yeah, so it's gonna come out next week for sure, because it's already edited and everything. And then after that, I'm gonna just get the Bali videos out of the way, and then I have some videos from December that I need to edit and stuff. So like, I've just been all over the place. And also guys, for as relates to my channel, this year I think I'm gonna be doing less content, less videos, because some of the content that I've been putting out, I'm not so happy with them. And I originally created this channel because I wanted to document and record my life in Japan, and because I wanted to, you know, when I leave Japan, I wanted to look back on the things that I have done in Japan, and you know, like remember those memories. And doing YouTube is like a very good way to remember that, because I have seen like my old videos and I'm like, oh, I didn't even remember that I went here or there, whatever. So it's a good step, you know, it's a good way to remember your life, or that part of my life. And I can't believe that 4 years has already passed. Can you imagine? 4 years has already passed. Life, boy, life goes by so fast. And then 3 years since Corona started. 3 years, because it started in 2019. I know it's 2023. So can you imagine? Like, guys, whatever you need to do in life, just go ahead and do it, and don't wait, because next thing you know, you might get up 5 years has passed and you still haven't made the first step. So definitely try and do that. So right now I'm gonna go back to posting 1 video per week, because posting every day, that's just not it. I don't know how people do that, but it's like time consuming. It's a lot of work. I did that in December. I posted almost every day, and yeah, I couldn't keep up. So now in January, I'm gonna be posting 1 video per week, and then eventually I might post twice per month or 3 times per month, depending on my workload, because like I said, for 2023 I'm gonna be doing a lot of stuff, and I have to focus on those stuff. And I know I'm gonna still have time for YouTube, but I'm just not gonna have enough time. And I think, you know, sometimes I gotta prioritize some aspects of my life, and then, you know, like I feel like YouTube is not gonna get as much attention as it used to get. And I'm gonna come back, guys, definitely, but you're gonna see me. I'm gonna try and post more on Instagram, because I've been lacking there too. I haven't been posting on my stories as much as I used to, so I'm gonna do that, more of that too. So yeah, like, just I'm gonna try and be more active on Instagram, because with Instagram I can just snap what I'm doing in real time, but on YouTube is like record, get time to edit, get time to upload, blah blah blah, you know, like too much do thumbnail, forget it's a lot of work, babe, people. So yeah, guys, ask me the questions in this comment section. I think I'm done. Like, I recapped 2022, left Japan, I'm not going back. Maybe I'll go back to visit. I don't know how the future holds, what the future holds. Traveled to 6 countries in 2022. yeah, your girl been traveling, and I'm gonna be traveling to 3 more countries. Well, I want to travel to 3 countries in 2023. Well, I might go back to one of the countries I've been to. I'm coding that too, so it's not a new country, but yeah. What else? Yeah, I want to try and save more in 2023. Yeah, this year I need to save. I need to, you know, like just prioritize and prepare. So this year is a year that I need to use to focus on my future, because I'm not getting any younger, and I need to settle down. I need to get some assets. I need to, you know, build my credit. I need to do so much things. So that is why I was like, YouTube, unfortunately, because it takes up so much of my time. You gotta, like, you know, I'm not stopping YouTube. I'm just gonna be doing YouTube way less than I used to. By the way, guys, so but since I'm in Jamaica, I'm gonna be doing videos with my sister. I'm gonna be doing videos with my nephew, and maybe other family members if they want to be on camera, because I'm not forcing anybody to be on camera. So if you guys want to see me do a video with anybody, maybe, I don't know if my mom gonna want to be on camera, because my mom is shy. I'm shy too, so let me know, guys. I'll try and persuade her to come on camera. But like my sister, my nephew, my brother, maybe my moody brother, yes, I'm talking Michael, he watches my videos. So if you guys want to see me do any videos with my family members, just let me know, like, what kind of video you want me to do while I can, because I said I have the free time now. Not always, but I can squeeze in here and there to do some videos. So let me know from now, guys, what you want me to do with my family, and I will do it. My birthday is coming up on the 27th of this month. I haven't planned anything as yet, but I have some ideas, but I'm not sure, because I want to have a low-key thing, but I also want to go big, because this is my first time in Jamaica after 4 years. So I want to make sure that I go somewhere, like, you know, go outdoor, go to the beach, go to the river, or go some tourist spot or something. But also I gotta bear in mind that I am free, but maybe the people that I want to invite, they're not so free. So yeah, a lot of things to take into consideration. But anyways, I just want to say that I'm happy, I'm healthy, I'm blessed, I'm grateful, and I'm thankful that I made it to 2023, because life is so unpredictable, and you know, at any minute something can happen. At any minute you can get sick. At any minute anything can happen. So just remember to trust God, remember to be grateful, and remember to care, you know, care about people, and to try and help people as much as you can. I'm gonna end this video right here. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching my mini update, and I hope you guys have a wonderful 2023 and all your goals, all your dreams come through. But remember, it only comes through it only comes through it only comes through if you put in the work, because nothing is gonna fall from the sky and land right in your lap. You gotta do the work. Okay, guys? Anyways, so I'll see you next week, because I'm gonna be posting once per week now. Fingers crossed. Bye.